Okay, today I'm going to be tearing down and cleaning my Ruger Mark IV 2245 Lite. It's new. I really like it. First of all, we see that we've got an empty chamber indicator in the gun, and we should be able to see that we have no magazine in the gun. So first I'm going to lock this back, which took a little while to get used to. It's locked back. Takedown of this thing is so simple. First of all, you make sure that we are on safe. Release the bolt. We push this button on the back of the gun while rocking it forward, and then it lifts off. Done. Then you take the bolt out, and we have disassembled the Ruger Mark IV Lite. Apparently with the Mark III, this was a much more hassle-laden procedure. With the Mark IV, we're good to go. I'm going to use this M Pro 7, which I just got fairly recently. We're going to spray a little on our cotton swab, and we're going to clean out the inside. As for down the barrel, I'm going to use Ballistol. I'm going to put this over the top. Oh gosh, the barrel's really far down there. Let's get some down there anyway. Maybe if I turn it like this would be good. Got a brush. Let's brush this a little bit. I'm going to get the end of that. Some of this. Let's check out the receiver. The other thing I'm going to clean are the magazines themselves. I've been running this with a suppressor, and it does get things dirtier, I think. All right. As for this guy, now that we've run it through a little bit, I'm going to scrub it. Yeesh. All right, now it's time to take my 22 caliber bore snake. This one. This one's goofy. Unwind it. Put it through. All right, there we go. Finally, 5 years later. All right, one. That was just one. 2 and 3 are going to take forever. All right, 1, 2, 3. Now, since I just used cleaner and not a CLP, I have to oil this thing. Do I know where to oil it? Heck no. I'll bet if I looked at the manual, it would tell me where I'm supposed to oil. Haha. All right, reassembly. We take our bolt, we put it back. Only goes one way, as I just discovered. We put the end there, rock it back, that goes in a hole, and it snaps down all the way. I'm gonna wipe off some of this excess oil. It's all over the darn thing. Wipe the whole thing down with a nice silicone cloth. Release the bolt for that. I have to have a magazine in to pull the trigger. Check the magazine, lock the bolt back, go to safe, put the empty chamber indicator back in, release the bolt, and we are good for storing.